guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna play with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume Number 2 palette. I wanted to do a look with this for a while, so today is the day. I'm gonna start with the Anastasia eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna use this for all over the eyelids. This is gonna be the base for the eyeshadow. This is gonna make the eyeshadows look more pigmented. Make sure that it stays in place. I always go in with the eyeshadow primer first. This one has a really nice coverage, so this is gonna make sure that all the redness from the eyelid is gonna be removed, which is really nice. So for those who don't know, I'm currently in Los Angeles. I'm celebrating Halloween with Anastasia, which is super excited. Every year they throw a big Halloween party, and I'm so excited to be a part of that. So if you aren't following me on Instagram yet, make sure you check out my Instagram story if you want to see everything that I'm doing. So now I'm gonna take this beautiful minty green, I don't know how to describe this shade, but it's just a really beautiful green color, and I'm gonna blend it all over in the crease. I went back a few times to make the color build up as pigmented as I wanted it to be, and I just took a really big fluffy brush and I'm just blending it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. I didn't set my eyeshadow primer with any like loose powder or anything. I wanted it to be a little bit sticky. So the eyeshadows are kind of getting like sucked into the eyeshadow primer, which is gonna make the color more vibrant and gonna make it more long lasting and also really easy to blend out. Of course, everything I'm doing at the one side of the eye, I'm also doing at the other side. Then I'm going in with the color B3. This is kind of a different sort of green. I mean, there are so many colors of green. The one I used before, it's more leaning towards neon yellow kind of green, and this one is more like a grass green, also really pretty. So I started with blending that in the outer V area, and then later on I'm also gonna blend it more towards the middle part and the inner part of my crease. Then now I went back in with the blending brush I used at the beginning, and I'm just blending along the edges to make sure that everything is well blended out. Then I'm going to use the waterproof gel eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Jet. This is like a really nice intense black gel eyeliner, which I'm going to use as a base for today's smoky eye. I feel like using a black gel eyeliner underneath a smoky eye is going to make it look even more intense. Even though the eyelid is not gonna look black today, I'm gonna actually use some shimmers on top of it. But using a shimmer on top of black is gonna make the color look so much different. So I really like to play with like gel eyeliners, using them as a base. And then when you apply like a shimmer eyeshadow on top of it, you get like a total different effect than if you would use the shimmer on its own. I really like that, how you can like change up eyeshadows just by using like different kind of gel eyeliners or cream shadows underneath that. So that's like a different way to make an eyeshadow look different, so it's not always the same looking. So now I'm going in with the color E3, which is more like an aqua blue greenish shade, also really pretty, and I'm gonna start blending that around the edges of where I just applied the gel eyeliner. I'm also going in with a black eyeshadow around the edges to make the transition from the gel eyeliner and the crease look a little bit more better, but I first wanted to go in with this shade and blend that around the edges. Then now next, like I already told you guys, I'm going in with some black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend that around the edges as well. Then I'm taking the color C1, which is a really beautiful champagne golden kind of color, and I'm gonna use this for underneath the brow bone. Whenever I do a smoky eye, I really like to use like a highlight underneath the brow, like with a shimmer. I just feel like it looks so pretty. Then I'm taking the color E4, which is like a reddish brown color, and I'm gonna blend that around the edges of the crease as well. I wasn't even sure if this is gonna make a difference, but I just wanted to kind of just do this. I don't really have a reason. I just felt like if I would apply this on top of the edges of the crease, maybe the color is gonna look even more different, and I just wanted this eye look not to be very simple and boring. So that's why I did that, but not sure if it made a huge difference. So now I'm taking the color C, or is it E? I'm not sure, but it's like this one right here. I'm using my finger to apply this all over the eyelids. I wasn't really sure how I felt about the color combination of the green with this one, so I decided later to also use the color that I used for my brow bone a little bit in the center of the eyelids, which was this one, just to make it a little bit more golden. Yeah, I just wanted to do like my inspiration for today was to do an eye look, which is not a very typical kind of eye look. I just wanted to use like different colors in combination to get a eye look which is just different, if that makes sense. So that's why at first maybe you feel like, oh, I wouldn't use these shades together, but I feel like the end result is gonna look really cool. Then now I used a pencil in the waterline, and now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, which is kind of the same undertone as the pencil in the waterline. And those are also kind of different shades than I used for the crease. I just wanted to make the lower lash line different than the crease to, once again, just give it a different vibe. And then I'm taking this shade and I'm gonna use that to blend out the lower lash line. I'm mixing the neon green with the grass green together on a tiny blending brush, and I'm just sweeping my brush back and forth, trying to blend everything out. Since I also used these shades before in the crease area, it's now really easy to blend out the lower lash line and kind of connect it with the outer V, since I already have some of that green eyeshadow be blended over there, so that's really easy. And I just keep blending until I find that like it's looking nicely soft, not really harsh anymore. I don't really like it when my lower lash line looks really harsh. Then I'm taking the color D4, which is a really vibrant yellow shade. I wanted to use this for in the inner corner, but I kind of changed my mind, so I didn't apply like a lot of it. I just felt like, wait, let me do a shimmery inner corner. But I was kind of scared that I was too late with deciding this because the yellow was already on there. So first I just added more, and then I was like, wait, let me just apply it on top of it. The same color as I used for the brow bone and on the eyelids. Just applying it on top of it, and I actually feel like because I used the yellow underneath this shade, it's gonna make the eyeshadow look more golden, which I think is really pretty. Then now again I'm going in with the waterproof cream gel eyeliner from Anastasia in the color Jets and applying a simple line above the lash line. If you're recreating this look and you feel like, oh, this look is gonna look so much better with a winged liner, of course you can give your own twist to this. You don't have to follow each step that I'm doing. I just went for a simple line above the lash line because I kind of want to keep the focus on the eyeshadow. So that's why I did that. Then now I went in with the liquid liner, which is also from Anastasia, applying a thin coat on top of the gel eyeliner. Every time I use gel eyeliner, I really like to use like different textures to kind of make the eyeliner stand out more. Also, I really like the finish of the eyeliner. It's really black, really matte, so I like to use it in combination. Then now I went in with some mascara, and of course I'll be also using some lashes. And then we're finished. So this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And also let me know in the comments if you are also really excited for the upcoming 2 months. I'm so excited to create more glamorous eye looks, more glittery eye looks. Definitely let me know if there are any specific eye looks you want me to do. I really want to focus on smoky, glittery, but also I want to throw like some more easy looks in between. So if you have any specific looks you want me to do, definitely let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Why are you holding back?